Hi, everyone. My name is Laura Holland. I'm a PhD student at University of Rhode Island in Bethany Jenkins' lab. And this work is based on an experiment I did on an Antarctic research cruise that Bethany headed along with Drew Chappell and Kristen Buck. And so what I did is I took this experiment is based on the idea that Southern Ocean diatoms may be able to take up these bacterially produced organic ligands known as siderophores that are bound to iron. And so what I did is I looked at their bacterial communities that they recruited during this experiment. And so what I did is that in the lab, I made 3 Southern Ocean diatoms azenic, and then we brought them on board, which was very difficult on those diatoms, but then we got them up to speed again, and we iron limited them, so we then stressed them out again. And then on day 3, we added back their bacterial community by adding a less than 3 micron fraction of Southern Ocean seawater from the surrounding seas. And then we continued to let them grow with their bacteria friends for another week or so. And so the main questions we planned to answer was, do these iron-stressed diatoms recruit distinct bacterial communities, and can these recruited bacteria produce siderophores? And then eventually we would like to answer this question, well, and then can these diatoms actually uptake these siderophores? And so my poster actually focuses on the 16S high throughput sequencing of the diatom-associated bacterial community. And we've also done the free-living community as well, but I left that out of the poster just for simplicity's sake. And now we have this giant phylogenetic tree showing you the overall diversity of the bacterial community recruited by these 3 diatoms. And the main takeaways are that the bacterial communities recruited were not influenced by iron status, at least in this experiment, but were distinct across the diatom species. And then they also included known diatom-associated siderophore-producing bacteria such as Pseudoalternamonas and Coelia, and we have some of these guys in culture now. And that's work being done by my fellow PhD student, Alexis Sterling, who's not here. And then we also found that the bacteria are often found it included bacteria that are often found in response to diatom blooms, such as Polyrobacter. And if you want more details, come see me tonight.